Proudly present our finished project in Zambales featuring our high-end glass and aluminum solutions. This project blends modern elegance with exceptional durability, elevating the beauty and functionality of the space. Another milestone for Hifi craftsmanship. Sophistication meets strength. Elevate your space with our French-style sliding door, featuring a sleek combination of high-end powder-coated aluminum and double-tempered glass. Designed for both elegance and durability, it boasts a fixed glass panel for added stability, a solid aluminum section for privacy, and a smooth sliding mechanism for effortless operation. Perfect for modern homes and commercial spaces.